What's up, friends and family? Yeah, today I woke up, felt like having vegetable soup. Yes, that's me cutting some vegetables. Yeah, and there you go, broccoli, pumpkin, and as you can see, my pumpkins have the seeds. I love seeds. My mom taught me how to make this. She usually used to make the pumpkin with the seeds while making githeri, which I did not like so much, but yeah, mummies. But I now learned the best way to make like the pumpkin taste good. So I make them as a puree. As you can see, I added some carrots. Now that everything is in, I wanted to add some garlic. Oh my god, garlic is life. If you know me, you know I love onions and garlic. Those are it makes a huge difference for food with garlic and that without. So I had to add some garlic. I mixed everything in. Now adding my spices, oregano, parsley, seasoning, and the cumin. I had to put everything in to make the soup yummy, yummy. Yeah, all in. Turn in the food. You have to add some water. Yeah, water is the main ingredient in this. Yum, yum. And I had to put some Maggies. Here in Dubai, we don't have Royco cube, so we put Maggi to substitute that. But it can never beat the Royco cube. Royco cube is the best. Now there we go. Everything in the blender, ready to blend. There you go. Blend, blend. At this point, I got really frustrated because it was too thick. I had to add some milk. Okay, you can add coconut milk or coconut cream or cooking cream, heavy cream, anything you'd like. For me, I didn't have either, so I had to add some milk, which came out so yummy. Yeah, there you go. My meal is ready to dig in. I had with some bread. You can have with garlic bread. I didn't have like you can apply garlic butter on the bread. I didn't have some at the point and I was so hungry, so I took it as it is, and it was the yummiest meal ever to start off my day. Hope you loved it. You can make it for yourself, and yeah, you enjoyed it as I did. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.